Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Raksha. So today we are going to see three recipes of chicken. So chicken pepper fry, chicken kebab and chicken liver fry. So this is for chicken pepper fry. There goes some garlic, cinnamon, cloves, somph, jeera and pepper. So we had taken the live chicken and we cleaned it and got it. So some coriander and cashews. So cashews is optional and rest of the things are mandatory. You can also add ginger, but anyways I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, so I would skip it. So I'm just adding this for the nutrition part. So the seeds are mix of melon, sunflower and pumpkin seeds. I started adding in all of my dishes. So there is no much change in the taste, but your gravy will be little thicker and you will get a semi gravy consistency. Fried them until the raw smell was gone, and I'm allowing it to cool down for some time, and I'm going to grind it into a fine powder or paste later. So let's see for the kebab now. So some kebab, turmeric, salt. I don't use any kind of kebab powder, masala or something, but I make my own. I follow my mother-in-law's recipe basically. So some chili powder goes in, and dark soya sauce and the vinegar is mandatory. You can replace vinegar with some lime as well, or you can also add some curd, thick hung curd. I don't do that because I add egg, and here is my masala which is ready. I put it in the fridge for some time so that the masala is well absorbed and the chicken becomes tender. There is no need to pressure cook them, but I want to make my work easy, so I do that. So add some oil, some ghee. So once the oil is hot, just add some onion, curry leaves and turmeric. Fry them until the onion is golden brown. So the same masala can be used for the mutton as well, but you need to boil the mutton separately. And here goes some ginger garlic paste, and then tomatoes, and then chicken. If you make this in powder form, you can store it up to 1 month. So when you want to store it for 1 month, try avoiding cashew. Give it a nice mix and add some salt and chili powder. I give two whistles so that the chicken is softly boiled. And this is a small quantity of liver fry which I'm just making for myself. So some liver goes into the oil, some pepper, salt, turmeric, and coriander is must. So you will love it. Just try my way. Definitely you will thank me for this recipe. Nannari sharbat is very good for cooling down your body. So currently the temperature over here is 35 to 37 degrees. So it's important for us to cool down our body now and then. So here goes with some soda, and also you can add some basil seeds and some lime. So it gives an excellent taste. Thank you for being with me this long, and consider like, share and subscribing the channel for more vlog content. See you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.